Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to view and select overlapping elements on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup, we have the home, we also have the settings and the design page, and of course the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and view and select overlapping elements on Wix. So to check your overlapping elements, it's pretty simple guys. You just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you now. So right click the element covering the element you're trying to select. So first of all, you need to go to your design site. You'll have the editor. Then you need, for instance, to have another element. For instance, let's have this element here, the heading, that can overlap our marketing.inc. So right click the element covering the element you're trying to select. So basically right click it, hover over overlapping items. So when you overlapping items, as you can see here, and then select the relevant element, which you can of course have the marketing.inc. So it's here and you will voila have it like this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video and I'll be seeing you the next one. Until then, bye guys.